How to create a big head effect in Canva. So it's really a easy thing here. First of all, I have to upload an image. So this is an image, but we have to remove the background first, right? So if you have a Canva Pro, just select the image, click on PG remover. But if you don't have any pro version, just go to remove.pg and you can upload the image here, right? So let me just remove it. Now here I have uploaded the image and in just few seconds the complete background will get removed. Now I have to download this up and take it back to, I have to upload it to Canva. Right now this is my image, I can delete the older one here. Now it's look really good. But how I can just get only the head, right? How I can create a big head effect in Canva. So for this I have a website. Just go to Google, search for cutout head from image and you will get this cutout.pro. You have to click on it and you have to upload the image here. So let me just upload the image which the background is removed, and in just few seconds I will get the head, right? So I will just go and click on free download. It has been downloaded. Take it back and upload to your Canva. Right now it has been uploaded. Now you can take it here and just make it big, right? So in this way we can just do it. But if you're looking for totally each and everything should be inbuilt in Canva, it's not. There's only background remover and nothing else, right? So this is how you can do. So thanks for watching this video.